Hello everyone. On our last class we learned how to make dots and how to color the dots. Today we are going to learn how to make zigzag. For this we need to have a Microsoft Paint program, and as you all know, the place where you can find this program is after you click start button. You may find it on the list. If you find it, good, click on it. If you cannot see it, click on the search bar and say paint, and it will come up on the top. Click on it and then go to the brush and choose the brush style called brush and make the size bigger. Yes, the thick one. Then go to the top left corner and click and hold it. This time you're not going to click once, rather you need to click the left click and hold it. Then move to the right corner. When you reach to the corner, go back to the left corner, to the right corner, to the left corner, to the right corner, to the left corner. While you are doing this, you should make a gap so that you can see the zigzag clearly. You can do this again and again. If you want, you can change the color and you can see the zigzag one by one from left corner to the right. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Yes. Let's choose another color. Green. Now zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. Thank you. Please practice this at home and make zigzags with different color. On the next class we will do lines. Thank you.